Do you know what your name means? Perry Suda does. She just recently learned that her name means one who is holy. She is 9 years old, and she heard about Jesus at a Seventh-day Adventist boarding school in southern India. Perry, as teachers and friends call her, already loves reading Psalms 23, her favorite Bible passage. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Perry has been walking through her own valley of the shadow of death. Her father, a truck driver, was killed in an accident when she was 1.5 years old. A while later, her mother abandoned her, leaving Perry in the care of her grandfather. After the truck crash killed Perry's father, her grandfather searched for answers, and her aunt told him about Jesus. She was an Adventist, and she told him that Jesus always hears our prayers. The grandfather, who lives in a small hut, is 82 years old and has poor eyesight. He also has little money to support his granddaughter. At the aunt's recommendation, he agreed to send Perry to study in the 4th grade at the James Memorial Higher Secondary School. While Perry gets a Christian education, her relatives are helping pay for tuition and other fees. Perry smiles brightly when she thinks about studying here. She likes living in the girls' dormitory, although it is an old, run-down building. 100 girls can fit, but they still need more room. This school needs a new dorm so that more girls can come here to study. So the children and faculty are praying for a new and bigger girls' dorm. During her time here, Perry has seen several students get baptized, and she tells her grandfather about the baptisms and her new love for Jesus when she visits during vacations. She knows that Jesus hears her prayers for her grandfather, and he can answer them. Perry loves reciting her favorite psalm from memory in the Tamil language.
நான் தாழ்ச்சி அடைவேன் அவர் என் புல்லுள்ள இடங்களில் மேய்த்து அமர்ந்து தண்ணீர் கொண்டு போய் விடுகிறார்